interest of the European Union for protection of biodiversity. This is essential for keeping balance of our planet. And every single species, no matter small or big, plays a significant role for system to run successfully. The European approach to the protection of nature, to its conservation and to sustainable use is wide. It's largely based on the notion that centered on people working with nature rather than against it.
Nature protection and the welfare of local communities goes in hand, and that local communities benefit very much from protecting nature and developing the nature tourism, as the mayor has said, all sorts of adventure tourism that can be developed without destroying nature. So that people and planet together is our slogan. Just as the European Union very deeply believes in the importance of environmental protection, the United Nations stands very much for the idea of sustainable development. So we're very pleased to be a partner with the European Union, with local authorities, with the Ministry of Environment and Physical Planning, and we look forward to moving ahead with these 25 very colorful, very vividly enjoyable grant programs over the next 2 years to ensure that nature protection moves from being a theory to an everyday reality.